Hi, this is Carl, and this is Gary. Good to see you again, Gary.
Morning, Carl.
I see you a couple times a year doing the craft shows.
Right. A number of them.
Welcome to this session from Scrollsaw Video. We're going to be doing a short interview with Gary. Yesterday I called him Steve all day long. I don't know why. Just stuck in my head. We'll try to keep it right throughout the video. But getting older really bites. Memory goes first.
Wait till you get to be my age.
Gary, good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you again. I'm glad you be here.
Thank you. Glad to be here. Very nice.
At least it's not 110 degrees out this weekend.
Exactly. Nice and cool. Hope it doesn't rain.
Gary's one of the traveling Scrollsaw fretwork people. He does a lot of the shows down here in the southeast. He comes to Georgia a lot, South Carolina a lot, Tennessee, North Carolina, home of the Panthers.
Oh yeah.
Are you a Panthers fan?
Sure. I like the Panthers.
Well, we'll see if we can beat y'all today.
I still like the Falcons.
Gary, tell us how you got involved in scroll sawing.
Well, about 13 years ago, my wife bought me a scroll saw so I could make some stuff for my grandkids. She was even born at the time. So she bought me, inexpensive wood saw, and I liked it. So I started making stuff, and ran out of family to give it to, and the walls got filled up in the house. I didn't have any friends anyway to give it away to, so she told me if I was going to continue doing that, I had to find a place to get rid of it. So we started doing festivals. We've done as many as 30 a year. Now we've kind of leveled out around 21, which is plenty.
Busy schedule.
It takes up a lot of work.
What is your favorite piece that you do? Personal favorite piece?
Personal favorite?
Do you have one in your booth today?
I don't think I've got a personal. I just do a lot of different, I do fretwork stuff, like, the train up there's got almost 400 holes in it. The puzzles, they go rather fast, and I use quite a few of those. So I don't know that any particular one, I would put aside something else to do.
I noticed these puzzles here, and you confuse a lot of people with these.
Yes. This is the world's most difficult four-piece puzzle. It is a man in Australia came up with the idea. It's actually cut on a tape.
Shh, don't tell your secret.
And it will not just fall apart. People think, well, how difficult can it be? It's only 4 pieces. They said, well, don't take it apart, you won't get it back together. I said, I take it apart. They can't. Usually it takes kids less time than it takes adults. I think that's because they're not locked into thinking. They can think outside the box, or they just get lucky. We do sell a lot of those, and most of it is leftover wood from it's not big enough to make another puzzle. So I just 3 inches square.
If you want to know the secret to this puzzle, shoot Gary an email. I'm sure he'll answer you. His email is going to be right up under us right here. I'll list it right here.
I sell these with the solution.
Solution included. It always helps.
And the solution is part of the puzzle.
I see you do some wine bottles, holders.
Yes, I do 3 different ones. I do a 4-glass holder with 2 different patterns on here, where you can put this over the top of the wine bottle and then hang your 4 glasses in here, which performs a very neat function, because when you're ready to drink a glass of wine, you don't want to have to go over and wash the dust out of your glass. You can just take it off and pour it. I usually make these out of 3 or 4 different kinds of wood. This happens to be lenga, which is a wood from Chile called Fireland Cherry. I make them out of mahogany, cedar, and blackwood. We sell quite a few of those.
I also see your, what animal puzzles here?
I have about 120 different dogs. I've got 120 some other animals and cats and vehicles. They're all made out of 3/4 inch wood. About 10 different woods that I use. It's all natural. There's no staining or painting or anything involved. And what we do when we finish them, we sand them, take them apart, sand all the corners, sharp corners, and then we actually get the whole thing in a solution of shellac and denatured alcohol, and then wipe it and let it dry. And it's done.
If you don't mind, excuse me, this shelf pattern right, you mind if I take it off the wall?
Go ahead.
Let's talk about this shelf pattern right here. How do you do the interior cuts?
Okay, these 50+ holes here in the butterfly, you drill a hole, put the pattern on the wood, and then drill the hole on each hole that doesn't have outside access. Put your blade in there and do it one hole at a time. Now on these, because of the small size and the shape, I use a spiral blade. On these where you're doing accent lines, then you go back there and use the reverse sheet. Any chance I get to do, you don't have to turn your work, use that spiral. This is also made out of the spiral cherry.
Very pretty wood. You can see the grain. Well, hopefully you can see the grain. Very nice work. Very pretty. It's a secret? Okay. How about some words of wisdom from one of the experts?
Expert? I'm not an expert.
Oh, you're an expert. Don't be fooled.
You know what an expert is? X, that's something in the past that has been. An expert, it's just a grip on the person.
Okay.
I do not want to be an expert.
Professional.
Professional? Well, I guess I sell some of it, so I must be a professional. All I can tell people is it's not rocket science. It's a lot of fun. It's relaxing. You can start out with a saw that costs less than $100 and practice. The best way I started out was I started making puzzles, simple puzzles, no inside access. I cut them all with a pin end blade and make puzzles for my grandkids, make puzzles for the Children's Hospital in Greenville, South Carolina. And it just gets you so you can get smooth, follow the lines. That's all you're doing. Scroll sawing is a matter of push. All you're doing is learning when to push and when to cut. Sometimes it's both at the same time. Just do it because it is very relaxing. Of course, if you do it as many hours a week as I do, it's going to become work.
Gary, you want to give a shout out to the Greenville Woodworkers Club?
I do. Great organization. We've got over 700 members. We're growing and going. A brand new 25,000 square foot facility. And just a great group of guys that have come together. You don't know anything about a particular aspect of woodworking. We have mentoring classes. And we teach them. Anything you want to know about woodworking, there's somebody there that's willing to give what they know.
Great, good to hear. I promised we'd make this a short video. Hope you enjoyed talking to Gary. Check out his email address up under us. Thanks for watching this issue.
Thank you.